Today I have a 7-in-1 USB hub. We're going to take a look at it and see what you get when you purchase one with this. And is it even worth it? Well, most of the times that we're buying new laptops, they're getting rid of all the USB 3.0 or the USB-A versions. They're pretty much going to be obsolete in a couple of years. They're coming out with Thunderbolts and more Type-C, which is the newer generation. So a lot of these things require something like this, a hub, in case you have the old technology, if you want to connect anything HDMI to the new Type-C, or you want to share multiple extensions, for example USBs. You have a mouse, you have a keyboard and stuff, and you don't have enough connections, or you have the wrong fixture, then this might be for you. So let's take a look at it and see what you get when you purchase them this. All right, out of the box they give you simple stuff, a manual and the actual setup itself. Right now it has a cover. If you guys can see, take it off. It's Type-C cover. You have that set up, and then you have multiple connections here. I'm going to take a look at a closer look with another camera so you guys can see it and the different fixtures, and of course the HDMI connection on the side. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, let's take a look at a closer look. If you guys can see, 3.1, 3.0, actually a USB, and then you got actually a multiple card reader. This is for the larger SD, and this is for micro SD cards. So if you're a photographer and you have a laptop that you don't have this might be a really handy thing for you guys to carry around. Transfer data from computer to the actual card. It's simple, easy to install. They give you instructions in here, what type of connections you have. Like I said, the micro SD, and like I said, it's a USB. If you can see it, 3.0. Very simple. It lines them up, and in the back we have some more, if you guys can see that. So on this one, it's if you guys can see, it does have a little charging station. That means this could be as a Thunderbolt. You could actually charge your laptop. If you have a power supply, you could plug it in here. So if you're sacrificing one of your connections, simple, you can plug it in, and then you have two USBs 3.0. If you guys can see, it tells you right there. The cable length is not that long, so it's perfect for laptops. Very simple to just plug and play. Here, the one thing that a lot of people need is the HDMI, especially if you're gonna go out and do presentations. Some of the old stuff is still needed. Like you have projectors, you have TVs that you require to connect. Until they have wireless set up on all the TVs and all the laptops, you're still going to need this. So this is a mandatory thing. So you can use this for your actual laptop and continue to use a screen. Now, they don't have multiple screens in here. It's only for one HDMI, but they do sell different types of hubs that have that requirement if it's needed. But this is one simple one that we're reviewing right now, so you guys could take a look at it. Nothing fancy about it other than the cable. Its transfer rate's pretty much the same, like all of them is the 3.0 transfer rate to Type-C. It kind of downgrades itself. So, but the great thing about it that I like is just you have these multiple card readers. So